Hello everyone, this is another heart sound recording of a patient. She's actually through the first 6 visits for a program. So I just pulled one out from last week and this week, and one of the things we're trying to do is obviously strengthen the first heart sound here, which is adding a little bit of protein that the person would have to take, but there was also some other aspects of the beat itself. So we added in a little bit of cataplex B, which has that B4 in it. And the B4 is there mainly to help the electrical pulse of the heart. And so you can see a little bit of a difference between, these beats here and these beats here. These are more normal. That's what it should look like. So overall, she's doing well on her program. And so yeah, it looks very, very good. And anyway, so that's all I have to show you on this one. It's a very simple graph, and I will be putting a video out shortly that goes over how all this works and how all this stuff functions, so you get an idea what you're looking at when you're looking at these graphs. So that's all I have for this one, and always remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body.